Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to a Friday edition of the one, the only Awesomecalls Trading.com. I'm AJ. I'm your host. What's up? What's up? Wow, what a day. What a week. What a week. What a week. Wow. Wow. Very special this week in the room. So much fun. Uh, just great calls. But you know what? It's not just great calls. It's the idea of we'll keep learning and learning and learning. And we're getting more on point on our calls and just getting better with them. And it was a really fun day today. So I'm going to spend about 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, and just kind of go over each of the plays. Not all of them, just a few of them that stand out. And then I'll get out of here. It's Friday. Yeah, I'm going to go have fun tonight, go relax, go chill, get drunk, fucking crawl home. I don't care. All right, let's start with the great one that we did for everyone in the chat room. If you all recall, Splunk. I did a webinar 5 days ago. I actually gave it this one free. Explained why I said the stock was a buy into earnings. 135 calls, made it very clear. And as you can see, the stock hit 135 all day and now is sitting at 140. So you could have made anywhere from 250 to 500 to 1,000% return on your money. This one was a solid idea, solid trade from tier one analyst, straight up greatest call. Really worked today. Plenty of time for everyone to cash out. Premium stayed up. Boom. It was a great, great, great play. Splunk, we had this 5 days ago, if you recall, at $120. Here's the upgrade gap up. Clears the pull down. Long at 120.50 to 121. Buy the 135 calls. And 5 days later, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days later, boom, boom, boom. There you go. All right. That was Splunk. Next call we did today was IGE. In secret sauce, there are about 5 to 10 items where a stock will tank, and it doesn't matter. Okay. Just like there are things that move a stock, like cancer, Alzheimer's, tuberculosis. Okay. That shit moves. But then there's a category where stuff just gets dumped. Welcome to IEIG, IEAG, whatever it is. Called for short at 10, 980, 950, all day sell off. I'm looking for an offering, probably in the 550 range. Called the stock come down to 550 to 6. Stock hit $6.52. It was our number one pick to short in the chat room. All you had to do is locate shorts. And there it is. All right. There it is. All right. So that was a really, really, really nice one. Next one we did was our number 3 pick, Public Storage. I'm sorry, Pure Storage. I see that PSCG, I think public. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyway, it's Pure Storage. They did miss. They were down 25% on their stock this morning, about 21%. I felt it was too much overdone. I called for a long at 15.50 with size. Add on any dip to 14.50. I made it clear the stock will go pretty much to $17 a share today. That is PSTG. Look at the stock all day move to the upside. See how it gapped down and pulled? AJ was looking for a move to 17, and we're almost there. No short, didn't call a short, didn't want a short, wouldn't even look at it short. There's no short in that stock. All right. Next one we did was Shoe Carnival. Huh? Oh, I don't trade that. You think the wind would break? Hold on. Doing a webinar, Baraka. You could put stops at 67.40. I don't like the trade. I wouldn't do it. You might get down to 67 on slow place. Not my cup of tea. I wouldn't trade that stock. There's other good things out there. It's too thin. No, I wouldn't trade it. Shoe Carnival right here. As you can see, the stock was gapping up considerably. Stock was sitting here at $37 and bam, they were trying to do it off the ask at $43.92. In reality, the stock was sitting around the 41 area. I read the report. I didn't like what I saw. Did not get overwhelmed by it. Thought it was more of a short. I called for a short to 38 and under at the open. As you can see, the stock pulled from 40 all the way down to $36. Here's the 38 right there. But this thing just sell off. Tesla will grind out if it hits three. I don't know, just kind of grind out between 330 and 335. Don't think I would overnight it in case there's any downgrades, David. And then, so this one just ended up selling all the way off to $34 a share. 35 bucks was the bottom. It was a really nice trade today. SCBL. Another one we did today was Williams Sonoma. I read the report today. This was gapping down a little bit too much this morning. Actually pulled to 63.50. It settled at 65 this morning. I called for a long to 67.50 a share. Based on the report that I read, I felt it was overdone, and the stock hit 67.50. Another great trade that we did. It was awesome. I want you to see a call I did this morning on Nordstrom's. This was really fun. And I just only want you to concentrate in the first 3 minutes of the opening bell. On Nordstrom's today, I want you to look what I wrote. Okay? And here's the opening bell. Ding, 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 ding. I want you to see what I wrote. This stock will pop at the open to 38. And once it does, it's going to snap. And I just want to bring it down. So my goal was 35.50. I didn't get quite what I wanted, but if you look where it hit right at the open, $38 a share, and look where it slammed, 36.40. Isn't that awesome? That is so awesome. So awesome. Another trade we did today was KRTX. This is my baby. Traded this morning live in the chat room. Whew. It's been my fun one to do. One of my favorite trades, and I know this trade back in my head. And all I had to do was look at the gap down this morning. It was sitting here at 77. It had closed around 79. I saw that 77, and all I could think of was long to 85 at the open. Stock went to $90. We were literally done. Here's the opening bell. Woo! 88 a share. I was done. And here it went even to 90. I mean, this was just, get out of it. It was a train. It was a train. Anyway, so that's pretty much what we did. You know, we had a lot more trades. We traded Tesla today, Zoom. We had Zoom capping off at 74 a share, then pull. It hit 74 a share. This was done in pre-market notes. I'll show it to you right here. Zoom will top off at 73.50, and then we would be able to short it. I was looking for 70.50, and I actually, the way I wrote it up was I wanted you to short the 72. It came down a point, and then it shot back up to 74, 73.50, and that's pretty much where it just kind of hung out. But it was a good trade. Anyway, really good calls today. Great guidance by the leaders in the room. Loved it. Really just don't know what to say. It was just a wonderful day to trade today. Anyway, thank you for joining us, and love to trade with you on Monday. So again, all you do is go to any of our sites, any of our clicks, any of our things. We put a lot of work into making you successful at Awesome Calls Trading. I must stress that enough. I cannot stress that enough. You know, we really do a lot of work. This is not a 9 to 5 job for me. This is more like a 4 o'clock to midnight job for me. You know, but it's worth it. I love what I do. I love helping traders. Every day is a lesson, not only for me, even though people consider me a mentor and a professor. I learn every day. Learn from my mistakes, get better from them, and I mean, look at this trade here, BKA. I said the stock would go to 27 today, probably top off. Look at BKA. I mean, just look at that, BKA. Never traded it before in my life. Never even knew they existed. 27 a share. Isn't that crazy? It's crazy shit. Anyway, thank you, and I will see you all on Monday.